So welcome back to my channel Exploring Mathemedica. If you like the video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you will receive further videos. So my dear friends, asthma is one of the common clinical condition that we face in our day-to-day practice. And many of the tips that are there in our Mathemedica will help us in selecting the right remedy and getting better results. In July 2015, a girl aged 11 years came with a complaint of tongue-like growth in submucosa just behind the right molar, coming in between the teeth while chewing. This patient was referred to me by the patient that I showed you in different ways of studying Mathemedica part 2, where growth in the nose was treated by Syncona. This 11 years old girl had recurrent cough and cold since childhood, and the expectoration was usually yellowish, and she used to get breathless by exposure to cold, and this she used to feel better by sitting and bending the head backwards like this. And she also had keloid on the right knee after injury she suffered 8 months back, and she used to get dizzy or vertigo like sensation whenever she was given injection. I would like to tell you here the positive physical generals that she had. There was increased perspiration, and this perspiration was very offensive. And this girl was very sensitive to cold, and she could not tolerate cold in any season. The peculiar characteristic modality that this girl had was she used to feel her breathlessness better by sitting and bending her head backwards. So, my dear friends, if we take the totality of this case, she is having sensitiveness to cold, recurrent cough and cold on exposure to every cold weather, and this profuse perspiration, and which was very offensive, and this modality which is ameliorated by sitting and bending the head backward. So, if you have got the right remedy in your mind, that is nothing but Hepar sulf. So, after giving Hepar sulf 200, the patient came for follow-up after 15 days, and the problem with which she had come to me with the tongue-like growth in her right molar, just behind the right molar teeth, had disappeared within 15 days. And this girl is having an elder sister who was little one 2 inches taller than this girl. But after giving Hepar sulf for another 2 or 3 times, within 4 months, this girl grew taller than her elder sister. So a right remedy will also help in bringing about the growth which was little bit hampered because of her suffering. In the year 2017, a male patient aged 23 years came with the complaints of breathlessness from the last 3 years. He developed this complaint when he joined the work in a sweet shop where his work was to clean the utensils of the sweets. And before that also he was very sensitive to cold. Usually we find in our practice that all the asthma cases, many of the asthma cases, they are aggravated by lying down and they feel better by sitting. But here was a peculiar patient where he used to feel very much aggravated when he was sitting. So when he was sitting in front of me, he was feeling very uncomfortable, and the breathlessness was more. And when I put him on the examination table for auscultating, his breathlessness reduced and he was feeling very comfortable. And at that time he said that he feels better when he lies down. So in Mathemedica, we are having only one drug which is having this peculiar modality where asthma is felt better by lying down with outstretched hands. If my dear friends, you have got the right remedy, so this is usually he feels better. He feels better by lying down with outstretched hand, and the remedy is nothing but Sorainum 200. So this patient felt better after giving Sorainum, and he came to me after 3 months, and again I repeated him another dose of Sorainum 200 when he had an attack, and after that till now he has not got this particular breathlessness. In the year 2019, a 12 years girl came with bedwetting since childhood and urgency of urination in the daytime, and occasionally there was burning urination. She also had recurrent cold and cough since her birth, and this breathlessness that she had was felt better by lying on the abdomen, again, which is a rare postural modality. And though she was sensitive to cold, her breathlessness used to get aggravated. She used to like having ice cream, so desires ice cream. The peculiar modality that she had was amelioration by lying on the abdomen. So we are having a drug where the breathlessness is felt better by lying on the abdomen and protruding tongue. My patient was not having this amelioration by protruding tongue, but she used to feel better by lying on the abdomen. Taking the other symptoms into consideration, the frequency of urination, bedwetting, burning urination, and this modality of lying on the abdomen, which used to make her better, the remedy, I think you might now have got now the right remedy, that she was given Medorinum 200, and after giving Medorinum 200, the intensity of the symptoms reduced to a great extent. The bedwetting reduced by only weekly once or twice she used to have bedwetting, and the tendency to get breathlessness reduced. And after 4 or 5 months again, when the complaints recurred, she was given Medorinum 1 m, after which she felt considerably better and her frequency of urination totally disappeared. Even the breathlessness, the asthmatic condition that she had, did not recur. Again, now the patient is still under follow-up. So this is a postural peculiarity which Medorinum has having, where the patient feels by lying better by lying on the abdomen. The common modality that we find in asthma is many of the asthma patients, they feel aggravated by lying down, and some they feel better by sitting, and among them there are two remedies which they feel better by sitting and rocking. So arsenicum album and kalicar, these are the two remedies where asthma is felt better by sitting and rocking. Breathlessness ameliorated by walking slowly. So this is again a peculiar modality. The remedy you might have already got in your mind, that it is nothing but ferrum metallicum. So ferrum metallicum is having, they feel better by walking slowly. But however, we read in Metamedica that ferrum metallicum is anemic and they feel better by walking and they are aggravated by exertion. But however, I found in complete repertory that ferrum metallicum breathlessness or asthmatic condition is felt better by walking slowly. So our Metamedica is filled with peculiarities. Asthma felt better by standing. So you are having one remedy for that, that is cannabis sativa. So in cannabis sativa, the breathlessness condition, the patient feels better by standing up. So this is a very rare modality, and if you have this particular modality, you can think of cannabis sativa. So thank you everyone for staying with me throughout the video. Hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you will receive further videos. Thank you once again.